The Mi-28 Havoc is Russia's answer to the American Apache, a heavily armored, all-weather, day-night attack helicopter built to dominate the battlefield. Designed purely for combat. Unlike the dual-role Ka-52, the Mi-28 is focused on destroying armored targets, enemy troops, and low-flying aircraft. The overview: manufacturer, Mil Moscow Helicopter Plant, role, dedicated attack helicopter, crew, 2, tandem A gunner in front, pilot in rear. Entered service, 2009, Mi-28 Newtons variant. Combat use, Iraq, Syria, Ukraine. ASTMI DRS-SIDILA technical specs, max speed, 300 km per hour. 186 miles per hour, range, 435 kilometers. Service ceiling, 5,600 meters. Engines, 2A-, Klimov TV3 117 turbo shafts. Rotor system, traditional main rotor plus tail rotor. FYN armament, main gun, 30mm Shipinoff 2A42 autocannon, chin-mounted, flexible. Hard points, 4 underwing pylons. Missiles, Ataka V anti-tank guided missiles, Iglo air-to-air missiles. Rockets, S-8 and S-13 pods. Bombs, fuel tanks, optional loads. FY inverted exclamation mark I DRS-SIDILA avionics protection, advanced fire control system with helmet mounted targeting, night vision systems plus radar under nose, Mi-28 Newtons. Armored cockpit with bulletproof glass, crash resistant fuel tanks, infrared jamming and flare dispensers. Mi-28NM variant includes a mast mounted radar dome, like the Apache longbow. As DRS-SIDILA combat history, the Mi-28 has been deployed in Iraq, exported and used in anti-ISIS operations. Syria, used by Russian forces for ground attack missions. Ukraine War A saw real battlefield action, but some units were lost to manpads. While not as agile as the Ka-52, the Havoc is tougher and more survivable in conventional warfare scenarios. Strengths: heavily armored cockpit, excellent anti-tank capability, powerful 30mm cannon with wide firing arc. Mi-28NM variant has networked warfare capabilities, more survivable in high-risk zones than Ka-52 in some roles. AO weaknesses: not as maneuverable as coaxial rotor helicopters, like Ka-52. Slightly dated avionics and earlier variants. Some combat losses highlight vulnerability to modern manpads. ASTMI DRS-SIDILA final verdict: the Mi-28 Havoc is a rugged, heavily armed gunship designed for frontline war zones. Its armored build, powerful weaponry, and improved variants make it a reliable tank buster and battlefield support platform. Though it lacks the advanced agility of the Ka-52 or the combat history of the Apache, the Havoc remains a core part of Russia's air assault strategy.